G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've ditched the boat and it's windy as balls, so we're going to try and get some mangrove jacks. There's a little snag that I know in a little creek, and then as the tide drops out we're going to try and go get some crabs. See if we can stick some hands down some nice dark holes and see what we can pull out. But yeah, so this is what we're contending with. I'm going to go walking through the lovely thick mangroves, see what we can pull out. But where else would you rather be? Alright, let's get into it. Phew! First little puddle, and we've seen the first little mud crab. Little baby one without any claws on. Poor little bugger. Whee! Not even as big as my palm, but it's a good sign. Alright, so around the corner here we've got some hardy heads just schooled up in this little cove. So I'm going to let you laugh at me how bad I am at this, but oh, a little shark. A couple little sharks here. Try not to get them in the net. What's up, guys? Terrible. Oh, I did get one, you bastard. Oh no, there we go. So we now have enough bait. Oh no, maybe too much bait. Holy crap. One cast with the throw net has just got us our 9 litres of perfect little jack baits. That is going to be absolutely superb. A little 6-0 through that, little running sinker. Be able to cast that an absolute donkey mile. And yeah, the jack's just going to absolutely devour that. So that was the easiest bait they've ever caught. Shark. Just feeding on all this bait fish. Whoop, you seen me. So just tracking along here, and that's why it's always good to keep your eyes on your path, because coming down here, would not want to stand on her. This is a little female mud crab. You pretty much tell that straight away just by the size of her nippers and how round she is, but in winter time they're definitely not fast. In summertime I wouldn't try and grab her too easily, but oh, don't do that, love. I don't want you to drop your spear. See underneath there, you got that big paddle. You know it's a big little female. It's getting up there in size, but I try not to keep females. Only breed every now and then, and your males can do it as much as they want. Oh, you idiot. What'd you do that for, you nugget? Alright, game on. We have a crab. Pretty big hole, so I'm hoping it's going to be decent, but just hope it doesn't go down back too far. I'm feeling ready. Where are you, bastard? Hey, there we go. Beautiful. Size buck. There we go, eh? Yew! Don't bite me face. Nice little size. He's well and truly, what, 170, 180 I suppose, but bit of weight. Don't know what that is on his shell. Cancer or something like that. Very doughy crab. But that's one anyways. See how many more we can get. Alright guys, on further analysis. He feels pretty soft, like he feels pretty empty. I don't know what's wrong with him, but probably gonna let him go. Because I don't know, doesn't seem right. But let's see if he'll, next time I come back, if he's all happy and full of beans. Off you go, mate. Sorry for disturbing you. See if we can get a proper one. Well, it doesn't look like we're going to get any crabs, but I've got faith that I'll still be able to get some jacks and estuary cod and stuff, so just hooking them back to the spot and hopefully get a little bit of fishing in while it's still a little bit bright. Got the light on if we have to, but it's a good shot. Alright, waist deep in a creek, trying to get jacks. The sandbar seems to have buggered off from where it used to be, so it makes it a fairly big cast now, which is unfortunate. Hopefully there's enough light for you to see, so see if we can get one, I reckon. Just a pretty simple running sinker rig on a 6.0 with a little hardy head. Yeet it over there. Oh, what a cast. What have I got here? Oh my god. Feels like. Not doing a whole lot, I'm sure. Well, here we are on the surface. I'm going to guess a little cod. Little orange spot estuary cod. Thought so. You can bugger off. So what are you doing? See if we can get right up in there. Down its throat. Let's go. See if we can get closer. Call this for a broom or something maybe. Oh no, probably gonna say another cod, is it? I know, that's what we came for. Not massive, but that is a beautiful little Pilbara jack in the creeks. Hopefully we can get the bigger ones. Let this guy go. So I'm walking around and there's a monster long tom almost hit me in the bloody ankle. Yep, I might leave them to it. Ooh, look at the size of this thing! Ah! Almost copped it. Alright guys, well that's the end of the mission. Back in the car now on the trek home. Fortunately there wasn't much going on. We got those 2 crabs that I ended up letting go because one was just a little bit doughy and then the other one didn't actually have the GoPro on somehow. But yeah, just let him go as well because couldn't really be bothered, just keep 1 crab. And then the jacks, or we got that 1 little crab, 1 little jack and a couple little cod, but apart from that, it was just getting too dark. Gotta get home for the kids, and anyway, I'll put this little video up. Like if you just want to see more of this sort of little missions, but anyway, see you at the next one. You.